Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by granting permission and opening a text field. First, enable microphone access for your keyboard in Settings, then open a message or note. Once done, tap the microphone icon on the keyboard. That starts live dictation. Make sure you've chosen the correct language and any offline speech model to reduce lag. Speak naturally and clearly, short phrases at first, so you can hear how words and punctuation are rendered. This initial setup ensures accurate conversion as you continue. Now you'll focus on the detailed execution. Dictate full sentences and speak punctuation words like comma, period, question mark, or say new line to break paragraphs. Use brief pauses to separate clauses so the engine inserts natural punctuation. If the app mishears a word, tap the text to edit or select the suggestion. This is faster than redictating long passages. Once comfortable, switch keyboards for different languages or emoji. You can mix typing and voice without losing context or undo history. To finish, proofread your dictated text, make final edits, then send or save. If voice typing stutters or stops, check microphone permission first, update the keyboard or OS, and reboot the phone. These quick fixes resolve most problems. Also, make sure you're in a quiet spot or switch to an offline speech model to reduce network-related errors. If accuracy still fails, try a different keyboard app or use short snippets instead of long monologues to improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.